Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your selector knob gets sticky and doesn't turn properly, you are not alone. This common issue can arise due to food debris or grease building up around the mechanism, making it increasingly difficult to operate. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, impacting your Thermomix functionality. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools, a small screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a soft cloth. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to guarantee safety during the repair. Begin by carefully removing the outer casing. You may need to unscrew several screws located at the base and sides of the device. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the casing is removed, locate the selector knob assembly. This is typically found on the front panel, and you might notice some food residue around it. Gently pull the knob off. It should come away without too much force. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws or clips that may still be attached. Once the knob is off, inspect the shaft for any obstructions or buildup. Use your soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean the area thoroughly. If the knob itself appears damaged, it may be beneficial to replace it. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After cleaning or replacing the knob, reattach it to the shaft, ensuring it fits securely. Reassemble the casing by replacing the screws you removed earlier, making sure everything is aligned correctly. Once you've reassembled your Thermomix, plug it back in and test the knob to confirm it turns smoothly. If everything is functioning correctly, you are good to go. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make it a habit to clean around the knob after each use to avoid the buildup of food particles. Additionally, consider regularly inspecting your Thermomix for any signs of wear or damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.